Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best white PC cases.
Starting at number 5.
Fractal Design North. Fractal Design is well known for creating well-made and visually innovative PC cases, and the North is no exception. The North draws the center of attention to the front panel, which features real wooden oak accents. These wooden panels bring a touch of nature and organics into an otherwise modern case design. This case is great for air-cooled and water-cooled builds. Users who prefer an air-cooled build can implement a CPU cooler up to 170 mm. Additionally, users can choose between a tempered glass or a mesh side panel, depending on their needs. The mesh side panel offers more airflow, which is beneficial for the overall performance of air-cooled builds, and the tempered glass side panel offers an aesthetic view of the PC's interior. If a user's preferred cooling method is water cooling or a mix of both, the North also offers several options for radiator mounts. The top of the case allows for a radiator of up to 240 mm to be mounted. Moreover, a radiator of up to 360 mm can be mounted along the front of the case.
Coming at number 4.
Asus TUF Gaming. The Asus TUF Gaming GT501 White Edition is a rugged-looking white PC case with black accents. It is a mid-tower case compatible with up to EATX motherboards. There is a metal front panel with perforations on the sides to let air in, although the TUF Gaming GT501 doesn't provide the best airflow. Speaking of which, there are 3 120 mm RGB fans installed at the front and one 140 mm fan at the back. Like the O11 Dynamic EVO XL, the TUF Gaming GT501 also offers 7 storage drive mounting options, including 3 2.5-inch and 4 3.5-inch drives. There are 7 expansion slots, and the 2 extra vertical slots allow for mounting the GPU vertically. It supports up to a 420 mm GPU and up to a 180 mm tall CPU cooler. The case also supports up to a 360 mm radiator at the front and the top. Cable management is made easy with 30 mm of space behind the motherboard tray. The Asus TUF Gaming GT501 White Edition features woven cotton carry handles to easily transport the case, but it should be noted that they are rated for a weight of up to 30 kilograms, and the case itself weighs 10.5 kilograms. Even though there are black accents all over the outside, the inside is mostly white. Asus has been releasing white components for a while now, from GPUs to motherboards, PSUs, AIOs, and more.
At number 3.
Fantex NV9 Showcase. The NV9 is a large and beautiful case, allowing motherboard support all the way up to EATX and SSI CEB. The NV9 by Fantex is designed to resemble a picture frame, perfectly capturing and displaying a user's PC and transforming it into a piece of art. This case comes with 2 large tempered glass aquarium-style panels and an RGB strip around the motherboard. These RGB elements can be easily slid on and off during assembly to hide cable clutter. Users can also take the RGB to the next level with the NV9 Premium DRGB kit, which creates a matching RGB border around the glass panels. The NV9 features an ample amount of room for a user to experiment with, and limiting components based on their size is not a factor in this case. Water cooling is made a breeze due to the ample options in radiator mounts. A user can choose to mount a radiator up to 280 mm along the exhaust located at the back of the case, and radiators up to 420 mm on every other side with a mount. The same logic is applied to air cooling, as this case can fit a whopping 12 120 mm fans along the inside of the case. It should be noted that this case is not ideal for small spaces. It is meant to be a large, eye-catching addition to any setup, and due to that, a proper amount of dedicated space to display this beast is required. This case likely wouldn't fit comfortably underneath a desk, and besides, it should be considered a crime to hide this beauty.
Number 2 of my list.
Fractal Design Torrent. With a strong focus on airflow, Fractal Design's Torrent is an artistic-looking case with a unique front panel design. It comes in 3 sizes: the Torrent, Torrent Compact, and Torrent Nano. Starting with the largest, the Torrent is a mid-tower case that's compatible with all motherboard sizes, while the Compact is a smaller ATX case. As the name suggests, the Nano is compatible with mini ITX motherboards. Coming back to the Torrent, it takes a unique approach to cooling, providing a large base intake for mounting up to 3 fans that direct the airflow towards the GPU. These 3 fans are accompanied by 2 more at the front that also come with the case. For storage, the Torrent offers 2 3.5-inch drive bays and 4 2.5-inch drive mounts. In terms of clearances, the case can fit a GPU as long as 423 mm, with front fans installed, and a CPU cooler as tall as.
And number 1.
Corsair iCUE 4000D. Corsair made a big splash with its iCUE series of cases, offering a variety of combinations, such as RGB plus airflow, no RGB plus airflow, RGB plus glass front panel, and no RGB plus glass front panel. Not only does the series cater to the various requirements of different users, but it does so in a clean all-white design. This means that the Corsair iCUE 4000D RGB airflow is white on the inside and outside. This mid-tower case can accommodate ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX, and eATX motherboards. It has a tempered glass side panel, giving a complete view of the components inside. While this means a stylish-looking PC, it also makes cable management more important. The Corsair iCUE 4000D RGB airflow comes with 3 Corsair AF120 RGB Elite white fans installed in the front. These intake fans can be controlled through the iCUE software.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.